Yesterday we have been using this RECAPS stainless steel dough hook, which is suitable for the KitchenAid stand mixer to produce some of these absolutely awesome, beautiful, delicious bread rolls. You can see that here, absolutely perfect. Of course, here only the box, and this is actually how it looks even after using an easy cleaning, pretty much like in new condition. I got it for free from the seller to show you how this really works, but it's still my honest opinion because I will never claim something which is not true, and I'm going to show you how this worked anyways. You can see live on your own the awesome performance which we had, and this is definitely an awesome thing. I mean, compared to the original one, which is this one here, watch this thing, how it chipped off. I mean, of course, the most important thing down here where it touches the food or the dough, and you can see that some parts have been chipping off, and that's the original part here. I actually don't know where these parts are. This is definitely not something what you want to see, and so is this solid stainless steel version from RECAPS. That's so much better. You can see absolutely massive. We can also see the different weight. This is super lightweight here, while this one is much heavier, so you can feel that it's really solid. It's made out of 304 stainless steel, which a lot of people consider the gold standard for kitchen stuff, and we can definitely see that it's really good. Also, the performance in the stand mixer has been really good. Also, of course, because of this anti-climbing disc, because that's something which the dough is usually trying to get up, but here we have this nice protection. I mean, same thing as with the original, just in much better quality here. And so it really has been working absolutely amazing. It has been super easy to remove the original hook and add this one here. This works exactly in the same way. Works for 4.5 and 5 quart sizes of the KitchenAid. It was also super easy to clean, and actually after using it was almost perfectly clean, so it looks like almost nothing is sticking. And so I've been just using a sponge, a little bit of soap water, and cleaned it in a minute, and so it's back in perfect condition. Yeah, it has been working really good, apart from one thing. I mean, it has this anti-climbing disc which is supposed to prevent dough from climbing up here, but for some reason it didn't really prevent it completely. When we compare the size of the discs, I think they have exactly same size, pretty much same design. Also, the hook has a very similar design. There's no big difference. I mean, if I would have to judge just by looking, holding everything, the stainless steel model looks definitely much more impressive than the original one, also regarding weight and when I see the chipping here. But there was really something which always lifted up the dough a little bit, so it's a little bit difficult for me to give a recommendation. I mean, it definitely worked. I mean, at the end the dough was nicely mixed, and the result of the bread rolls, it was absolutely awesome, but we had to push down the dough a couple of times during this 5-minute mixing, so it was also a little bit of a mixed experience. Now, while I'm recording, price is around $20, definitely a pretty attractive price for this quality. And so you have to judge on your own. I mean, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can decide on your own if you want to buy one or not. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this stainless steel dough hook, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.